All right, what's going on, folks? Mark right here, back on the YouTube, and today we got a little sexy 17 F150 Platinum. This is a 3.5 EcoBoost truck, just over 130,000 miles. Look at that one going in the shop with the mud graps. Anyway, beautiful truck. Just some small basic things. It is a loaded Platinum factory OEM drop steps. It's got heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, full pano roof, custom Superman interior. Finished off in red. Dual power seats. Pretty much got everything but massaging seats. If your wife needs a massage, just give her one when she's in the passenger seat. You know what I mean? Anyway, cool ass truck. All the upgrades will be listed directly on my website, as well as the description of this video. You can see some of them. You know, upgraded rear bumper, upgraded front bumper, obviously 6-inch suspension lift. You got reverse pod lights. You got quad pod lights up front, 20-inch light bar, 22-inch fuel wheels. This is a pearl white truck. It's a little hazy outside today, so you can't really see the color with that pearl popping. But anyway, 17 F150 Platinum, an absolute gorgeous truck, rust free as you guys would always expect as well. You got a little bit of wear, like on the, you know, the black stuff shaking off the pod light. Frame, extremely good shape. Undercarriage, as you guys would always expect, a little rust-free stuff around here. Rear tires still have a decent amount of tread left. I believe we may be swapping out the front too. I can't remember. Anyway, Toyo RT, open country RTs. So, I mean, those tires right there, they're a good 60,000 mile tires stock right off the box. Passenger side's in really good shape. Overall, I mean, still a gorgeous truck for a 16 with only 30K. So 10-year-old truck. You guys probably have an idea of how much it costs in upgrades to do all the stuff that's been done to this. The leather interior alone was probably $2,500. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this truck or any other truck that we have for sale here on the car lot, make sure you guys give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Like and subscribe if you guys haven't had to, or if you guys haven't yet. It just boosts the algorithm for you guys to be able to see more of the trucks I post. If you guys interact and drop comments, like the videos, it'll make YouTube just send you more of my stuff, which if you're in the market for a lifted truck, this is what I do daily. We sell lifted trucks. You know, I sell 6 to 10 of these every single week. I replace 6 to 10 of them every single week. That way, you know, if you guys are looking for something specific, I highly recommend going over to the website, dropping a comment. Let us know what you're looking for, because most likely we're gonna find it, and it's a matter of time. So anyway, till next time, next video, it's your boy Mark right here, Dlux Motorsports. Y'all take it easy.